Hey everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to bulk delete in Podio. Before we get started, I want to ask you a question. Have you ever found yourself with a long list of items in Podio that you need to delete? Maybe you're cleaning up an old project or just trying to free up some space. So, then you're in the right place. I'm going to show you two different methods for bulk deleting in Podio. The first method is simple and straightforward, while the second method is a bit more advanced but can be very useful in certain situations. So, let's get started. Method 1. Bulk delete using the checkbox. This is the most basic method for bulk deleting in Podio. It's very simple and can be used to delete any number of items at once. Here's how to do it. Open the app that contains the items you want to delete. Select the items you want to delete by checking the checkbox next to each item. Click the trash can icon in the upper right corner of the screen. Confirm that you want to delete the selected items. That's it. All of the selected items will be deleted. Method 2. Bulk delete using filters. This method is a bit more advanced, but it can be very useful if you need to delete a large number of items that meet certain criteria. Here's how to do it. Open the app that contains the items you want to delete. Click on the Filters button in the upper left corner of the screen. Create a filter that matches the criteria of the items you want to delete. Click on the Apply button. Select all of the items that match the filter by clicking on the checkbox in the header row. Click the trash can icon in the upper right corner of the screen. Confirm that you want to delete the selected items. That's it. All of the items that match the filter will be deleted. Additional tips. You can also use the keyboard shortcut Shift+A to select all items in a view. You can use the keyboard shortcut Control+Click to select multiple items. If you're not sure which items to delete, you can always export them to a CSV file first. This will allow you to review the items before deleting them. Bulk deleting in Podio is easy to do once you know how. By using the methods I've shown you in this video, you can quickly and easily delete large numbers of items. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And with that, thanks for watching, and until next time.